In this video, how to update the BIOS on ASUS motherboards. To access the BIOS setup page, restart your computer and press the Delete key or F2 key repeatedly. First, you need to know the model of your motherboard and the current BIOS version. In the BIOS, you can check the motherboard model, BIOS version, and release date. Once you know the exact model of your motherboard, go online and download the BIOS update. Visit the ASUS Download Center and use the search bar to find your motherboard model. Click on Driver and Utility on the right side of the page. Select BIOS and Firmware and download the latest BIOS update based on the release date. Extract the downloaded file. Now, plug an USB device into the computer, then format it with FAT32 file system format. Now, copy the extracted BIOS update file to the USB device. Restart your computer and access the BIOS setup page again. Switch to Advanced mode in the BIOS. Go to the Tool tab and select ASUS Flash Utility. You'll see a list of drives and partitions attached to your computer. Select the USB device containing the BIOS update file and choose the update file to begin the BIOS update process. Review the update details, including the BIOS version and release date, to ensure everything is correct. The update process will take a few minutes. Please be patient. Once the update is complete, your computer will restart automatically. The second way, if you don't have a USB device, you can update the BIOS from Windows without an USB stick. Before starting, note that not all motherboards support updating the BIOS without a USB drive. Please check your motherboard's documentation to confirm compatibility. First, you need to know the model of your motherboard and the current BIOS version. You can find this information either from the BIOS setup page or directly from Windows. Next, open the Disk Management tool in Windows. Shrink an existing partition to create a new one for the BIOS update. You only need a small partition, such as 100 megabytes. Create a new volume from the unallocated space and set the file system to FAT32. Once the partition is ready, copy the BIOS update file into the newly created partition. Restart your computer and access the BIOS setup page again. Switch to Advanced mode in the BIOS. Go to the Tool tab and select ASUS Flash Utility. You'll see a list of drives and partitions attached to your computer. Identify the small FAT32 partition by its size. Select the partition containing the BIOS update file and choose the update file to begin the BIOS update process. You no longer need the small FAT32 partition, so you can delete it in Windows. Finally, extend the original partition to reclaim the unallocated space. The last way, some motherboards support the official tool to manage and update BIOS from Windows directly. For example, for this ASUS motherboard, we can use the ASUS AI suite to update the BIOS. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in next videos.